Hi friends, welcome to vigarocks. Today we are going to see parts of body in Hindi. शरीर के अंगों के नाम. First one is head. For head it is sir in Hindi. For head it is sir in Hindi. Next one is hair. For hair it is ball in Hindi. For hair it is ball in Hindi. Next one is face. For face it is chehra in Hindi. For face it is chehra in Hindi. Next one is forehead. For forehead it is mata in Hindi. For forehead it is mata in Hindi. Next one is eye. For eye it is aank in Hindi. For eye it is aank in Hindi. Next one is nose. For nose it is naak in Hindi. For nose it is naak in Hindi. Next one is ear. For ear it is kaan in Hindi. For ear it is kaan in Hindi. Next one is mouth. For mouth it is muh in Hindi. For mouth it is muh in Hindi. Next one is lip. For lip it is haunt in Hindi. For lip it is haunt in Hindi. Next one is teeth. For teeth it is dant in Hindi. For teeth it is dant in Hindi. Next one is tongue. For tongue it is jeeb in Hindi. For tongue it is jeeb in Hindi. Next one is hand. For hand it is haath in Hindi. For hand it is haath in Hindi. Next one is cheeks. For cheeks it is gal in Hindi. For cheeks it is gal in Hindi. Next one is fingers. For fingers it is ungliyan in Hindi. For fingers it is ungliyan in Hindi. Next one is stomach. For stomach it is pet in Hindi. For stomach it is pet in Hindi. Next one is leg. For leg it is pair in Hindi. For leg it is pair in Hindi. I hope this video will be helpful for you. I have started uploading NCERT Hindi books also. If you want to learn more in Hindi, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please share it to your friends also, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.